welcome back to another vlog. Today is appointment day. It's my 37-week appointment, but we are leaving a little early so we can go to Costco and check out some Christmas sale, and also we need to get stock up on some things. It's Wednesday. Weather was in minus in the morning when we woke up, but right now it's like what? 47, so it's not that bad, but it's also very cold.
We are here at Costco. We are gonna go pick up a few things. The traffic is terrible. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving. Everything is gonna be closed, so I guess people are just shopping. There is literally no carts. I came all the way back here. We are here at the hospital. We are done with Costco. We are here at the hospital. We are done with Costco. Even though the temperature is cold outside, it's so hot in here that we both are like, literally it's summers in here. Trust me, it's very hot. We ran into somebody whose delivery date is very close to like Tanya, so we were like just talking and like, oh, we might run into you at the birthing center, who knows. We are just waiting for the call in, and that's it. And on our way back we have a few things to do. We have to run by Target. We have pickup order ready. Tomorrow everything is gonna be closed, so that's why we are just picking everything up today. And then after tomorrow it's just Black Friday, so it's gonna be crazy out there. So since we are not planning to shop much, that's why we don't want to get out, because it's gonna be crazy in the stores. And then Saturday and Sunday, and then I go back to work. So it's today that we are gonna just pick everything up. We are just gonna plan a few things and everything. All right, we are done with our appointment and heading back home. But we have to run few errands on our way, and
Pick something
did you?
Because I'm very hungry.
Yeah, but it will take at least another hour for her to decide what she's gonna eat. So I think we'll be home by then. We're here at Harris Teeter because
I did not take 1 hour to decide.
yeah, she decided in like 30 minutes.
Oh.
We were going to Wendy's, and then she decided to go to Harris Teeter to pick some sushi.
Yeah.
So we are here. Back home, I had a Starbucks coffee and 3 pieces of sushi because that's all I got. And she ate the entire thing.
I was so hungry.
And then 30 minutes later, she came home and had a small lunch again.
Feeding 2 people.
Yeah, I know, right? So anyways, so after we came back home, this guy is here, and Astro has something in him that he doesn't stop walking. So he is walking. Yeah.
He just keeps walking in the entire house, and then our ground floor, like our first floor, is not carpeted. So it's like tick, 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 everywhere.
So I did that for 10 seconds, and tell me how annoyed were you? That's what we hear all day.
All day.
This puppy does not know how to sit in the house. So, and of course, over here in his place, he'll be relaxed.
Yeah.
But here, I don't know what goes in his mind, but that he doesn't sit. Regardless, one good thing that he did not wake up at 5 a.m. today. For last 3 days, otherwise he was waking up at 5 a.m. And then I'm like, what is going on? Because
waking up is a different thing. Like just waking up.
And then he starts walking.
Yeah. He'll just do tap, tap, tap. He'll freshen up and then kind of move his body, flap his ears very much, and start walking around.
Yeah, exactly. So anyways, but today he did not do that. So at least I'm grateful for that. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, but you guys already saw the vlog. We already did Friendsgiving. We posted so many shorts, stories on Instagram and whatnot. Tanya's checkup went fine. The baby is doing amazing. The heartbeat was good. The mother is doing amazing. You can see she eats 5 meals a day, so there's no doubt she won't be doing amazing. Dad is doing amazing as well. So anyways, we are having a lot of fun. 3 more weeks to go. It's getting close and close day by day. We can't believe, like, it feels like the other day we were just having her baby shower, and then suddenly it's like 3 months, right? So We have packed the hospital bags. If you haven't watched the video, go check it out. We uploaded it before this one. Don't know what we are having for dinner. Oh no, we know. Today is my brother's birthday, so happy birthday, Priyank. We spoke with him when we were on our way back. He's back in India. For his birthday celebration, he loves chicken, so we are making chicken and gonna have some chicken. She's gonna have chicken dal and rice, and I'm gonna have chicken and chapati or something like that. So yes, that's what we are doing for dinner. Hopefully Mama doesn't change her mind by then. We'll have that. So we are over here. Marvel is my helper for the day, and today is gonna be ouch. Today is gonna be I almost poked my thumb with the wood. So today is gonna be the first fireplace thingy that we are doing. First time winters. Yes, today is the first fire of the year. That's what I was trying to say. Gonna have my fire starter sticky back, and it's not good for you. These things have these are not just wood. They are coated in something that helps to start the fire. So that's why I don't want Marvel to be eating it. Oh. Give it some time, a few minutes to get it started. So we are eating our dinner. She's eating dal, rice and chicken, and I'm eating chapati and chicken. And we have made this kind of chicken after a very, very long time. So we are gonna indulge in and see you guys in our next vlog. Until then, stay warm, stay safe, bye.